Talking about some of the specific roles of placement committee, they engage with the industry mentors to bring SIPs and placement opportunities for their peers. Similarly, residential affair committee students organize several events at campus. To name a few, Diwali, Holi, Durga Puja, New Year, and so on. This brings a cultural diversity and a rich mix of beautiful environment where students can learn together and grow together. When we think of an academic setup, we usually think about a classroom, teacher, case discussions, and a closed room. But in real life setup, a lot of learning happens outside the classroom. We learn from people, events, discussions, and so on. We at IMI Kolkata truly believes in this type of phenomena called as experiential learning. To enhance the experiential learning at IMI Kolkata, we offer a 2-year full-time residential program where students can learn from their peers. At IMI Kolkata, we have as many as 25 clubs and committees to enhance the professional as well as the personal skills. Students can learn to network. Students can enhance their skills by talking to the alumni, to the industry mentors, to participate, to manage events, and so on. All the clubs and committees at IMI Kolkata are solely driven by student bodies, mentored by a faculty, where students learn to organize events, seminars, symposiums, and cultural fest, sports fest, and so on. Apart from some academic clubs like economics club, operations club, IT club, we have non-academic clubs as well, like placement committee, where students bring the opportunities for their peers to engage with the industry mentors. Alumni committee, where students bring alumni to connect. Altruist club, where students learn how to give back to the society. Dean Sites Club, where students can learn the current trends in the world of analytics. IMI Kolkata provides an ecosystem where students from diverse backgrounds can learn together and grow together.